The other day, someone asked in a mastermind group with Follow Up Boss users, is there a way that I can send a GIF in Follow Up Boss through an email? And the answer is yes, and it's quite simple. So let's walk through it. I am personally a big fan of Giphy. So let's pull this up here. We go to Giphy, Giphy.com. You can search anything. Let's say like you're inviting people to an event, so you're excited to share the good news, or it's like a birthday party or something. Let's find something that's not overused here. Like I've seen these so many times. Or you want to confirm like they've signed up for a webinar or something, but I'm trying to find something that's not overused. There are some weird ones here. Like that one's kind of cute. Just depends on your personality. Let's do this one. That one's cute. So you click to open it, save image as, and let's say dancing bear, and let's put it on desktop. And that's funny, they recommend other dancers. But let's go over to Follow Up Boss. I'm going to pull up a dummy lead here. Let's add in email and phone number. So to send an email ad hoc with a GIF, you can click Insert Image with the dancing bear. And there you go. To send the text message ad hoc, there's this Insert or Attach Media button, dancing bear, and now it's a part of your text message. Now, if you want to create templates where you can quickly add them, you need to go to Admin, Email Templates, and add an email template. Dancing bear. Insert image, dancing bear. It might just not like me right now. There it goes. It just took a little bit to load. And I usually check the box, share this template with everyone. This doesn't share this template with everyone that has a Follow Up Boss account. This shares the template with everyone within your Follow Up Boss account specifically, like your agents that are under you in your Follow Up Boss account. Text templates, on the other hand, you cannot attach a GIF to a template. So that one would have to be ad hoc. So now let's go back to the test person. Send an email, pull up templates, and let's find dancing bear. My email template loader is kind of slow because of how many we've created. And there it is.